How to change language on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change language on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now click this one, settings and privacy, and now click this one, accessibility, display and languages. Click on it and then click this one, languages, and then you can click this one and then click here, and as you see here you can choose any language you want, like French or anything, and that's how change language on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.